Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a four-fold brochure with Canva. Now, first things first, I just typed here four-fold brochure, or even if you touch brochure, or even if you type brochure rather, it's just going to show you three-fold brochure at most. So you can see here some examples, but there's actually a way for us to create a four-fold brochure. We're going to go ahead and do that. Click create right here and then custom size, and then from this point forward, I'm just going to choose 1920 by 1080p. This is a vertical size. So yep, there you go. Now we're gonna go ahead and click oops, not that one, the file, and then settings, add rulers, and then we're gonna choose custom. Now in the columns, in this case, we're gonna choose a 4, and then for the gap, let's go ahead and zero this one. Now click add guides, and then if we are going to see this, now you can see that that's divided to 4. But yeah, let's go ahead and make this clearer. So we're gonna go ahead and add some lines just so we could definitely or make this easier for us to edit later on. So click this position and then just go ahead and type here 90. All right, and then you can go ahead and put this in the middle of that. Okay, and then you can go ahead and copy that one as well for the others. All right, there you go. So from this point forward, go ahead and start designing your own brochure. And that, everybody, is how you're going to make a four-fold brochure with Canva.